If you're looking for a humidifier filter that truly delivers, the Honeywell Humidifier Replacement Filter stands out with its patented design. It's engineered to inhibit 99.9% of particle growth and migration, keeping your air cleaner and your filter working longer. That blue pre-filter layer captures larger particles before they even reach the main filter, boosting overall efficiency. These filters are specifically made to work with Honeywell's wicking filters, model HEV615, which fit perfectly in evaporative Honeywell top fill tower humidifiers like the HEV615 and HEV620. This tailored compatibility ensures your humidifier performs at its best without any guesswork or compromises. During cold and flu season, dry air can worsen coughs and congestion, making restful sleep a challenge. Using a Honeywell humidifier with these replacement filters adds the right amount of moisture to your home, providing temporary relief and helping you breathe easier. It's a simple upgrade that can make a real difference in comfort. Keep in mind, not all replacement filters are created equal. While compatible options exist, only genuine Honeywell filters are certified to maintain the same performance and efficiency standards. Choosing the original filter means you avoid issues like poor wicking or early mildew buildup, which cheaper alternatives often suffer from. Honeywell's reputation speaks for itself. With over 100 years of experience in home comfort, their humidifiers and filters are trusted by families across the country. This legacy means you're not just buying a filter, you're investing in reliable quality and peace of mind. One user review sums it up well: cheaper filters fall apart and don't wick water effectively. Honeywell's filters, on the other hand, can be cleaned, stay intact, wick water efficiently, and resist mildew longer. That durability means fewer replacements and better value over time. If that's you, someone who wants dependable performance and cleaner air, the Honeywell Humidifier Replacement Filter is worth a look. It's designed to keep your humidifier running smoothly and your home feeling comfortable through every season. Ready to upgrade your humidifier experience? Try Honeywell's genuine replacement filters when you're ready and enjoy the benefits of cleaner, moister air that helps ease coughs and congestion while protecting your family's comfort.